Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Navitel T787 device, and I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this tablet. So to do it, first you need to open the gallery. To do it, you need to find Photos application, so find it and open. And here you will see all your photos, but if you want to recover, as you can see, several photos was deleted right now. So if you want to recover deleted photos and videos, you need to open Trash. So click Trash, and here you will see recently deleted photos and videos. If you have enabled Google Backup, so you will have deleted photos and videos here during 60 days. After this time, photos and videos will be automatically permanently removed from your device and from cloud storage. But if you have no enabled Google Backup, so your photos and videos will be stored in the trash bin during 30 days, and after 30 days, trash bin will be remove all your old photos and permanently too. So if you have no backup, you have 30 days to recover. If you have enabled backup, you have 60 days to recover, okay? Now here just click select and select photos and videos you want to recover and click restore. Restore items, yes, click restore. For restore, as you can see, go back, and as you can see, these photos and videos were successfully restored. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!